Next question number 14. A sum of rupees 500 is in the form of denominations of rupees 5 and rupees 10. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes of each denomination. So I have a 500 rupees. So in that 500 rupees I have a denominations of rupees 5 and rupees 10. So that means I have a 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. And the total sum of the money I have 500 rupees. So again the next statement, if the total number of notes is 90, that means I have a 90 notes. So in that 90 notes I have a 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. Find the number of notes of each denomination. That means we have to find the number of 5 rupees notes and the number of 10 rupees notes. Okay, we do not know how many number of 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. So let us assume that number of 5 rupees notes be x. Let the number of rupees 5 notes is equals to x. Okay, now how many number of notes are there with me? So there are 90 notes. Total number of notes is equals to 90. So from these two we can find the number of 10 rupees notes easily. So if I have a x number of 5 rupees notes and total number of notes is 90, if I subtract these two we get a number of 10 rupees notes. Means number of rupees 10 notes is equals to how much? 90 minus x. Total number of notes minus number of 5 rupees notes. So then we can get a number of rupees 10 notes. Okay, so next what we have a total sum of, now we write the value of rupees 5 notes. Value of rupees 5 notes is 5 into number of 5 rupees notes is how many? X, which is nothing but 5 into x is 5x. Okay, so in the same way we write the value of rupees 10 notes. 10 rupees notes are how many? 90 minus x, that is nothing but 10 into 90 minus x. Okay, value of 10 rupees note is 10 into 90 minus x. This 90 minus x is nothing but the number of rupees 10 notes. Okay, that implies 10 into 90 is 900 minus 10 into x is 10x. Okay, this is the value of rupees 10 notes. Now we write the total sum. Total sum is how much? Rupees 500. Total is nothing but addition. So what we have to add? Value of 5 rupees notes and the value of 10 rupees notes. Value of 5 rupees notes is how much? 5x plus value of 10 rupees notes is 900 minus 10x is equals to total sum of the money is 500. Okay, 5x minus 10x. 5x minus 10x is how much? Minus 5x. Okay, so I write a plus 900 as it is, which is equals to 500. So because 5x and minus 10x are like terms, so I have subtracted these two. 5x minus 10x is minus 5x plus 900 I have written as it is. Now transpose this plus 900 to right side. So minus 5x right as it is, which is equals to 500. If I transpose this plus 900, it becomes a minus 900. Okay, so minus 5x is equals to 500 minus 900. 500 minus 900 is how much? Minus 400. So minus 5x is equals to minus 400. Now you can minus get cancelled because there is an equal sign, so we can cancel minus and minus. Now 5 into x is a multiplication, so we can transpose this constant term which is a multiplication. So if I transpose multiplication, we get a division, that is 400 by 5. So cancel this, 5 ones are 5, 8s are 40, 5 zeros are 0. X is equals to 80. So what is this 80 x? What is this 80 x? And what is the value of x? That is nothing but a number of 5 rupees notes. Number of rupees 5 notes. Rupees of 5 notes is equals to 80. Now we can find the number of rupees 10 notes. Rupees 10 notes is equals to 90 minus x. 90 minus x. What is 90 minus x? X value is 80, which is equals to 90 minus 80. That implies 10. Okay, number of 5 rupees notes I have is 80 and number of 10 rupees notes I have is 10. So if you multiply these two, we get the total sum of the money, rupees 500. Okay, so let us see the next question. Number 15. A person spent rupees 564 in buying pens and pencils. If cost of each pen is rupees 7 and each pencil is rupees 3, and if the total number of things brought was 108, how many of each type did he buy? So total amount spent is rupees 564. So with this money he has purchased pens and pencils. So each pen cost rupees 7 and each pencil cost 3. But total number of things he purchased, that means number of pens and number of pencils, he has purchased 108. So in this 108 we have to find the number of pens and the number of pencils. So we do not know how many pens and pencils. So let us assume that number of pens is equals to, I take this as x, number of pens be x, and total number of things purchased is how many? 108. You can say this number of things purchased. So total things purchased is equals to 108. Now from this too we can find the number of pencils, because number of pens I have x, total things I purchased is 108. Now if I subtract 108 and x, we get a number of pencils. Number of pencils is equals to 108 minus x. Okay, now they have given the cost of each pen. Now we write that cost of each pen is equals to rupees 7. Okay, now we write the value of how many pens? X pens. Value of x pens is equals to, so how many pens I have purchased? X, and each pen cost is 7. That means 7 into x is how much? 7x. Okay, so in the same way I write a cost of each pencil. Cost of each pencil is rupees 3. Now we write the cost of or value of how many pencils? 108 minus x pencils is equals to 3 into 108 minus x. Okay, number of pencils is 108 minus x. Cost of each pencil is 3. So 3 into 108 minus x. Now let us multiply this. 3 into 108 is, we get 324. So multiply 3 into 108, we get 324 minus 3 into x is 3x. Okay, now total amount spent is how much? Total amount spent is equals to rupees 564. So what are the items he purchased? Pens and pencils. Okay, so value of expense is how much? 7x. Total is nothing but sum. Okay, plus value of 108 minus x pencils is 324 minus 3x, which is equals to total amount spent is 564. Now you can see here we have a like terms 7x and minus 3x. 7x minus 3x is how much? 4x. So write this plus 324 as it is, which is equals to 564. Now we can transpose this plus 324 to RHS. It becomes a 4x is equals to 564 minus 324. So 4x is equals to 564 minus 324 is how much? If we subtract these two, we get 240. Okay. Now 4 into x. When we transpose multiplication to RHS, it becomes a division. So that means we have to find the value of x is equals to 240. So by transposing 4 to right side, it becomes a division divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24, 4 zeros are 0. X is equals to 60. So what is this x called? X is nothing but number of pens. So number of pens is equals to 60. So number of pencils. Number of pencils is how many? 108 minus x. 108 minus value of x is 60. 108 minus 60 is 48. That means he has purchased 60 pens. The next question and 48 pens. The sum of the page numbers on the facing page of a book is 373. What are the page numbers? Sum of page numbers on the facing page of a book is 373. They have given. That means when I open a book, so we can see two page numbers. Okay, so first page number 1 and page number 2. But here they have given sum of these two page numbers is 373. Okay, so we do not know the first page number and the second page number, but their sum is 373. Let us take this page number, first page number as x, and if I add plus 1 to this page number, we get x plus 1. So that means let the first page of a opened book is x. Okay, so second page, what will be the second page of an open book? Open book is x plus 1. If I add plus 1 to this page number, we get the second page number. Okay, and sum of the facing pages of a book is given how much? 373. That means if I add these two page numbers, their sum is 373. Okay, now what are those two numbers? X plus 1 is equals to 373. Okay, x plus x is 2x, so plus 1 is equals to 373. So transpose this plus 1 to right side, we get 2x is equals to 373 minus 1. 2x is equals to 373 minus 1 is 372. Now you can transpose this 2 to right side, it becomes a division. X is equals to 372 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16, again 1 remains, 2 6 are 12. X is equals to 186. That means the first page of an opened book is 186. Now I write first page of a opened book is 186. So automatically we can say the second page also. Second page of a open book is equals to x plus 1. So value of x is 186 plus 1 is equals to 187. So you can see the open pages, facing pages of a book is 186 and 187. Okay, so these are the problems from exercise 2.2.